This is section 2.3. It's over set operations, and I'm going to try to get to, oops, get to my Hawks Learning. Alrighty, let's see. So operations with sets. I completed the practice, so I'm going to go through the questions that went through in practice. Hopefully this will help you. Go to the bottom. Hey, that looks good. It took me 6 minutes and 19 seconds to get through it. So hopefully it won't be too time consuming. Okay, so the N, A intersect B, it looks kind of like a little N or upside down U. That's intersection. That's everything in common with the two sets. And the reason we're doing this set notation and all the set theory is because some of the stuff that we talk about in set theory, we also talk about it in logic, okay? So intersection means the elements that are in common. The elements that are in both sets, set A and set B, would be 2, 4, 6, and 8. Here's a Venn diagram, and it says, and the following, A is it says students have a tablet, B is it says the students have a graphing calculator. Determine which students have a tablet or a graphing calculator. And so you just click on, I don't know if you can't see this too well, it's kind of light. I just clicked on everyone except for these people out here that show Hope, Lola, Nico, and Sean. So you just click on all the people. There's also a tutor thing that might be helpful. And you have that option when you go doing the practice part. This asks you how many students have brown hair and blue eyes. A is brown hair, B for blue eyes. There's 2 that are in the intersection. This is a deck of cards. You have a deck of 52 cards that are either diamonds or cards with numbers on them. Okay, so let's see. First of all, I have a deck of cards. Not handy, but now in a deck of cards, you have 4 suits. There's 52 cards. You have the spade, heart, diamond, and a club. And we have 13 diamonds. Now, we want the number of diamonds or the number of cards that have a number on them. We don't count ace. We don't count jack, king, or queen. So if we have 13 in each suit, and we subtract the 4 cards that do not have a number on them, that would leave us with 9 cards that are either club, spade, or heart that have a number on them, because 4 do not. That's the ace, the king, the queen, and the jack, plus the 13 clubs. So if you add 9 plus 9 plus 13, or 9 plus 9 plus 9 is 27 plus 13. That's how I came up with 40 on that one right there. And this one, determine which students are majoring only in business, and the set B is for business. So that would be Drew, Ken, Sarah, and Zoe, and I have those marked below. And on the next one, the absolute value bars, that's the cardinal number. We want to know how many elements are in P union Q. So the union means or, okay? Intersection means and. So P union Q, we have, first of all, I'm going to list all the elements that are in the union of these two sets. You cannot list an element more than once. So in P, I have L, I have O, N, G, I, T, U, D, and E. This is what I have so far in P. And then for Q, I have L, which I already wrote down L, A, C, Q, U, I already have U written down, E, and R. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I just listed all the elements that's in P or Q. Do not repeat an element. And then you count the number of elements, and I got 13 elements. And in the next one, this just wants you to list all the elements in A or B. So U is union. Think of that as U. We're going to also see and or in logic. Okay. So we think of union as or, what's in this set or this set. I listed everything out that we're in, that's in either set A or B. And I think I just had 10 questions here, so I only had to get through questions 7. Okay, there might be a few more questions that well, once I certify and get my 70%, it kind of kicks me off. I don't know if I can look at I can review the attempt. I don't know if it'll let me look at any other questions on there, but I hope that helps. And I'm gonna send that out.